Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another swatch video of Butter London's brand new releases for the fall. The two shades are Bonkers and Brolly, and they're part of the Pat and Shine 10X Nail Lacquer line. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. So the first polish is called Bonkers, and this is a really pretty magenta cream polish. This shade is perfect for the transition between summer and fall. It's still pretty vibrant, but it's definitely got some darker fall vibes to it. And the formula is really nice and creamy. It's almost opaque in one coat, but I did apply two for full coverage. So here are two coats of Bonkers. And the second polish is called Brolly, which is a deep, dark navy blue polish. And this one is definitely more of a fall/winter color for me. As you can see in the video, compared to Bonkers, Brolly definitely has more of a jelly consistency. It's not opaque in one coat, but it does build up really nicely and to full opacity in two coats. So here are two coats of Brolly. So now that I've shown you the swatches of Bonkers and Brolly, I'm going to show you a super simple geometric design using both of the polishes. I'm going to start off with Bonkers as my base polish, and then I'm going to apply one coat of the Hardware Shine UV top coat from Butter London and let that completely dry. Then I'm going to take two pieces of regular tape and place them diagonally on my nail, making sure to press down the edges so I minimize the amount of polish that seeps under the tape. Then I'm going to fill in that exposed triangle with Brolly, and then I'm going to remove the tape as soon as possible before the polish has a chance to dry. And I'm going to clean up around my nail with a brush dipped in some acetone, and then I'm going to apply one more coat of Butter London's Hardware Shine UV top coat. And here is the finished, super simple geometric design using both Bonkers and Brolly. So that's all for today's swatch video of the two brand new fall shades from Butter London's Pat and Shine 10X Nail Lacquer line. Let me know what you think down below. Are you excited for the fall? What's your favorite shade to wear for the fall? And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!